Students of class 4th, welcome all of you in the online classes of SRPS. Today we are going to learn chapter 5, that is formatting in MS Word. This is part 2. In this chapter we will learn how to do formatting. In first part we have covered some topics such as how to do formatting such as bold, italic, underline, how to change size of the font, how to change font style, how to apply color, how to highlight the text. Fine. In this video we will learn new options of formatting. Let's see. Our first topic is changing case. There are 5 change case options in MS Word: sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each word, toggle case. Now what happened in these case options? Let's see. First, sentence case. To change in sentence case, you need to select the text and click on Home tab. In Home tab you need to move to font group. In font group you will see change case button over here. Capital A and small a is the symbol. So you need to click drop down option and you will see these 5 change case options. Fine. First is sentence case. See, whenever we write any sentence in English, the rule of writing sentence is that you need to write first letter of the sentence in capital and rest all letters will be in small abcd. Fine. So in the same case, in this option sentence case, first letter is capital and rest all are small. Fine. In lowercase option, all the letters of the word or selected text are in lowercase, mean small abcd. As you can see, first letter is capital. When I am going to change it into lowercase, see, the first letter has become small. Fine. All the letters are in small case. In third option, uppercase, select the text which you want to convert in uppercase. Now move to Home tab. In font group you will see this change case option, and in change case option third option is uppercase. When you apply uppercase, all the letters are converted into uppercase, means capital ABCD. Fine. Now fourth option is capitalize each word. We can understand with this name, capitalize each word. When you are selecting a particular text, first letter of each word will be capital. First letter of each word will be capital. As you can see, only first letter of the word it is capital, not second letter, not third, not in second word, not in third word. Only in first word, first letter is capital. Now I am going to change it into capitalized each word. Now you can see this first letter of each word is capital. Fine. Now last option is toggle case. Toggle case means if you have selected any text, fine, the uppercase letter will be converted into lowercase, and lowercase letters will be converted into uppercase. How? Let's see. As you can see, T and C are in capital and rest other letters are in small case, lowercase. Now I am going to change into toggle case. Let's see what happened. See, capital T is converted into lowercase and capital C is converted into small ABCD or lowercase, and other letters are converted into capital letters or uppercase. Fine. In this way we can change letters, uppercase or lowercase. There are 5 different options we can use. Fine, let's move to the next topic. Aligning text. Now what is aligning text? As you can see the text over here, parts of computer, monitor, keyboard, mouse, printer, these all are words are on the side of left side. This is left side, this is right side, and this is center. So what we need to do, suppose I want to keep this topic at the center, so what I need to do, select this text. Now click on home tab. In home tab you will see a paragraph group. In paragraph group there are 4 options. You can see align text left, align text center, align text right, and justify. So first option is selected, means it is on left side. I want to move this text at the center, so I need to click over here. Text will appear at the center. In the same way, these 4 options I can move at the center. First of all, I need to select these 4 options. Now I will choose center option. The text will appear at the center. I can move this text at the right side, or how? We need to click on align text right option. As I click align text right option, the text will appear at the right side. So these are 3 different alignment: left, center, and right. Fine. Fourth option is justify. We will discuss later on. Okay. Again we can do center, left, center, right, or center. We can do whatever we want. Let's move to the next topic. Creating a bulleted text list. See, whenever we make any list, fine, we sometime we do numbering, or sometime we create any bullet. So how we can create bulleted list? Let's see. If you have some options which you need to create a bulleted list, first of all select that list. These 4 options are there: monitor, keyboard, mouse, printer. I need to give bullets in front of them. So what I need to do, first of all select the list. Now click on home tab, go to the paragraph group. In paragraph group, first option is there, bullets. In drop down menu you need to click. You will see different types of bullets: circle, square, diamond, right. So you can choose any kind of bullet. After selecting bullet you can do changes, just like I want diamond shapes bullets. Fine. So in this way you can apply bullets. If list number of items, there is no sequence required, so we can choose bulleted list. But if we want, if number of items sequence is required, just like roll number or registers number are there, so 10 students are there, so we can apply number list. How? Let's see. Created a number list. So in the same way we need to select the list, click on home tab, go into paragraph group, and you need to click on number list drop down option. Now you can select different option: 1 2 3, 1 2 3 with bracket, first, second, third, ABC, small ABC. Fine. So I am choosing first, second, third. So first, second, third, 4 options are here. I can choose ABCD. See, ABCD options is there. So this is the sequence is there in number list. Sequence is there, either ABCD or 1 2 3 4 or first, second, third, 4, whatever you want. Fine. This is called number list. Let's move to the next topic, line spacing. Line spacing. See, in this topic we will cover spacing between two lines. Fine, let's see. uh, First of all, you need to select the two lines. Fine. Now you need to click on home tab, move your cursor towards paragraph option, paragraph group. Now you will see line spacing option over here, so you need to click on drop down menu. Now as you can see, 1.15 line spacing is there. We can increase the line spacing 1.15. As you can see, line space between two line has increased. Again, space between two line increased. Again, we can select this four lines and like this 2.5. As you can see, space between these lines has been increased. We can also decrease the space between two lines, just like it is currently it is 2.5. I am doing 1.0. As you can see, the space between these lines has been reduced. So in this way you can increase or decrease space between lines. Got it? Now let's move to the next topic, paragraph spacing. Now what is paragraph spacing? In this topic we can increase or decrease space between paragraph. How? Let's see. First of all, you need to select a paragraph, then you need to click on page layout tab, then you need to move your cursor towards paragraph group. In this paragraph group there is a spacing option. Two options are there, before and after. When I am using before option, when I am increasing the space, as you can see, before means top portion or top spacing is increasing. When I am using after options, when I am increasing space, after means after this paragraph the space is increased, as you can see. Fine. I can decrease the space like this. Again I can decrease. In the same way, second paragraph we can also do the same thing. We can increase the space before. Fine. We can decrease the space before. So in this way we can increase or decrease the space between two paragraphs. Fine. Now one option is left, that is justify. As you can see, this paragraph left, it is left aligned. All the words are aligned to the left side, but right side there is no alignment because it is left alignment. When I am selecting this and choosing the right alignment, when I just click, as you can see, from right side all the letters are aligned, but from left side no letter is aligned. Fine. In the same way I am doing in second paragraph. This is currently it is left aligned. Now I am changing it into right aligned. It is aligned from right side, not from left side. I can align it into center also, in the same way center. But our option is left, that is justify. Justify means aligned from both sides, left side and right side, both sides are aligned. So how we can do it? Let's see. Just select the paragraph, click on justify. Both sides are aligned, as you can see. Select the paragraph and click on justify. Both sides are aligned, as you can see. So this is our last option. So in this chapter we have covered so many formatting options. I hope you all have understood. Read this chapter from book, Do practical at your home if you have computer at your home. See this video 2-3 times so that you can understand how we can do formatting in MS Word. I hope you all have understood. Thank you very much.